Yeah, even my eyes are red, you know. I need to sleep. This day is for you guys. I am going to sleep on this live until 6. Mhm. Until 6. If you didn't give me thumbs up, please give me thumbs up so that you, which means if you want to support me, you can thumbs up, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that to receive all videos, all my videos.